Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass iPhone 7 Plus along with Signal by using latest bypass tool named LPro Max. You can also bypass from iPhone 5s to iPhone X and all Checkmate cellular iPad models along with Signal by using this tool. Before downloading this tool, please make sure that you had already downloaded the 3U tools and iTunes from 3U tools. Also, turn off the antivirus and Windows Defender that are available on your laptop. To do this, open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection and turn off the real-time protection. Click on Yes. Now, minimize this tab and download the LPro Max Bypass Tool. This tool is available on both Windows and Mac operating system, so download as per your requirements. I will drop the link of this tool in the comment or description section. Please check it out. If you did not find the download link, then simply message me on Telegram. After downloading has finished, right-click on downloaded file. Click on Extract to LPro Max. Then, go to the extracted folder. Right-click on LPro Max. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on More Info. Click on Run Anyway. Click on Yes. Click on Accept and Install. Click on Finish. Click on Yes. Close this tab and wait for the tool to be opened. Now, take the device and connect it to the laptop by using USB Lightning cable. Click on Enter Recovery Mode. Click on Boot Device. Read the on-screen instructions very carefully, and click on Start when you are ready to put the device into the DFU mode. Now, let the tool run all the process, and wait for the device to be turned on. If the tool shows Enter Recovery Mode after the device turned on, then simply disconnect and connect the device just once. Also, connect device to the Wi-Fi. Now, click on Activate Device. Here, the tool shows that the device is supported for bypass. Click on OK. Copy the serial number and send it to me on Telegram for registration. I will drop the bypass price list link for different models in the comment or description section. Please check it out. Now, I'm going to register this device serial number, and I will come back after the serial number is registered on the server. It will take around 2 to 5 minutes to complete the registration. After the registration completes, disconnect and connect the device just once. Then, click on Activate Device. Here, the tool shows that the device is successfully activated. Now, click on OK, and wait for the device to be turned on. Boom! Here, the device has been successfully unlocked. Now, you can put Touch ID, Face ID, Screen Lock passcode, do fake reset, restart the device, and use SIM card without any issues. I had tested all these things with this device, and it worked great. If you faced any issues during the bypass process, then simply message me on Telegram. I will try my best to solve your issues. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.